Yoga, a complementary alternative therapy to medicine by Shinyce Josie Hall.
How are you feeling? Let's begin with an exercise. Take a moment to note where you are holding stress or tension in your body. Relax your shoulders and unclench your jaw.
Hi, and welcome to Headspace. So no matter what's going on in your life right now, no matter how many thoughts are racing around your mind, no matter how the body's feeling, just take a moment to sit down and take a big, deep breath, breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. As you breathe in, a sense of taking in fresh air, the lungs expanding. As you breathe out, a sense of letting go of any stress in the body, in the mind, just feeling the muscles soften and relax. And close your eyes if you'd like to. One more. Breathing deeply in through the nose and out through the mouth. And just take a moment to pause. Allow the thoughts to come and go. And then just gently opening the eyes again.
Yoga first originated over 5,000 years ago in India and consisted of rituals, songs, and mantras. It's used to teach sacrificing of ego through self-knowledge and action. It is a Hindu spiritual aesthetic discipline incorporating breath control, simple meditation, and the adoption of specific bodily postures. Yoga is widely practiced for health and relaxation.
Does it work? Studies have shown that just 15 minutes of yoga a day may help decrease blood pressure and increase quality of life. Trauma-sensitive yoga has been shown to reduce symptoms of hyperarousal, re-experiencing, numbness, and avoidance in patients with PTSD. Names of poses in trauma-sensitive yoga are changed to promote a more relaxing experience. Improvements in energy, happiness, social relationships, sleep, and weight have been reported by patients with chronic or severe illness and/or depression who participated in yoga. The more yoga the patient practiced, the more beneficial the patient believed yoga was to their well-being.
Yoga consists of breathing and physical poses, diaphragmatic breathing techniques used during shifts between poses. This helps to control heart rate and concentration. Normally, you breathe in through your nose and relax your jaw and exhale through your mouth. Meditation, mindfulness and self-awareness, helps practicing person become grounded in the present moment, bringing thoughts to the personal center. This takes extensive practice to master. Benefits. Yoga produces more alpha waves in the brain while also decreasing respiratory rate, metabolic waste in the bloodstream, blood pressure, and enhancing the immune system.
There are 12 basic yoga poses. 1, headstand. 2, shoulder stand. 3, plow. 4, fish. 5, sitting forward bend. 6, cobra. 7A, half locust. 7B, full locust. 8, bow. 9, half spinal twist. 10A, crow. 10B, peacock. 11, standing forward bend. And 12, triangle. The last is final relaxation, as we see displayed here, and how we will look at the end of 4th semester.
Here is a short demonstration of movements through different poses and different levels of the pose. Child's pose is a simple, basic pose. It is easy for beginners, as well as downward dog. This can be processed into another level, as we saw previously, the crow pose, which can be transitioned into a headstand. This can take many years to develop a skill in, so don't feel discouraged when starting out your practice. Always stretch and protect your spine. Move your body to what feels good for you.
Ways to meditate. Mantra yoga. This is used by many beginners as they tend to find it to be an easy way to help participate in meditation. The practicing person focuses on a phrase, sound, or affirmation. The affirmation should be purposeful and meaningful. Japa is the act of repeating your own mantra, traditionally given by an instructor. A mantra is a sound, word, or phrase that is repeated by someone who is praying or meditating. It is repeated often and expresses someone's basic beliefs.
Guided imagery. This is another easy way for beginners to practice. The practicing person imagines a relaxing, peaceful scene in their mind. Deities are often a focal point for imagery, something to focus on and try to detail the object. Some focus on their chakras or their energy centers. Some may focus on a specific organ, trying to visualize it. This is common with someone who has organ failure or organ cancer.
Gazing. This is another variation of imagery. It may be more physical as the practitioner can choose an actual object within their vicinity to focus on with eyes either fully or partially open. Displayed here is an example called Tritaka, which is candle gazing meditation.
Breathing. Breathing is an easy way to begin the practice of focusing on breath. It's just to simply count the numbers of natural breaths without changing it in any way. The intention of this is to observe the breaths, but to remain detached and non-judgmental of the breaths.
Physical sensation. This is where somebody focuses on how a specific part of the body feels. It could be temperature, so how hot or cold a part of the body feels, focusing on the position of a part of the body, such as the spine, to strengthen it or reposition, or even how your feet feel while flat on the floor.
Yoga practice offers something for everyone. Yoga is intended to be accessible regardless of fitness level, disability, gender, shape, size, or age. Variable poses and modifications available, which coincide with the level of yoga practice. YouTube videos are a great way to begin a yoga practice. That would be at no cost to the viewer, and it can be done in the comfort of your own home. You can take your yoga practice as far in advance as you wish.
Namaste.